Hi everybody, today we're going to be setting up Screencastify and we're going to be using it to complete our paragraph of the week this week. So every Chromebook has Screencastify installed on it. So what you need to do is you need to come up here to the top right corner and next to your search bar, you've got a little puzzle piece. If you click the puzzle piece, these are the extensions or the add-ons that are automatically installed onto your device. You're going to come down here to Screencastify and you're going to click it. Now, when you do so, it's going to have you set it up for the very first time. Now, this is really important. It should be set up already that you're going to save the videos to Google Drive, and that's where your videos need to be because that's the best place for you to share them with me. So first step, we're going to click sign in with Google, and you're going to make sure you select the correct account. You're going to allow it. Now, there's a few options that you need to do. So you need to make sure that it is allowed to use the camera and microphone and that the drawing and annotation tools are set up. So make sure these are both checked. Click next, and it's going to just make sure that it is allowed to do what you want it to do. Click allow, click allow. Hooray, you're ready to start recording with Screencastify. So what we're going to do is today, oh look, you even get a little helpful hint. We're going to click that icon again, right here, and it's going to be ready to set up. So we're using the free version, so we only have a 5-minute recording anyway. Now, what's going to happen is we're not going to worry about the webcam for today's paragraph of the week. However, you can turn the webcam on, and you just need to make sure that it's the right one. But for today, you don't need the webcam open. The only thing that you need is your microphone. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit record, and you're going to read your paragraph, and then you're going to stop recording. So we're going to do a quick little test. Yeah, sure. We can. It's going to ask you to record a screen. One. All right. So it's now recording. So I'm recording a recording, which is impressive. But when you're done, you're going to come up here and you're going to click Screencastify again. And you can see that I've been recording now for 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and stop. Now, I'm just making this video as a tutorial. If you want, you can have the background be something special. I'm not super terribly stressed about the background right now. We're going to skip the tour because what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over. We're going to leave that tab open and we're going to go to our Google Drive. And you're going to look for a folder. It actually might pop up. Yeah, so mine's right here. You're going to look for a folder that is called Screencastify. It should automatically be saved to your Google Drive. Now, since I've already gotten a Screencastify folder, or you may have it too, it may be somewhere else. You just need to make sure that you find the Screencastify, and then this is going to be the video that I just recorded. We just recorded a recording and watched a recording of a recording of a recording. Anybody else's minds hurt yet? So what you're going to do is you're going to then take this, and you are going to come here to get shareable link. You're going to make sure that anybody with the link and MSD Wayne Township can view the link. That allows me to see it so that I can actually give you a grade. You're going to hit done. And then you're going to go to your assignment in Google Classroom. Now, special thanks to Mrs. Sheets for allowing me into her group so that I can make this video for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the classwork, and you're going to go to the assignment that you're trying to upload this to, which will be, for us, paragraph of the week number 4. You're going to click View Assignment, and then what you're going to do, I'm so much nicer in my directions. She's very demanding. Anyways, focus. What you're going to do is you're going to click Add or Create, and you're going to click Google Drive. Now this is going to pull up your Google Drive, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the video that you just recorded, and you're going to insert it. When you're done, you're going to click Turn In, and then I'll be able to grade and give feedback on how well you presented your speech. Now this grade will be 2 things. One, it's going to be how well you wrote, but number two is going to be how well you presented it. So there's a lot of other ways to use Screencastify. I encourage you to give it a chance, explore it, record yourself playing a game and talking through it and just giving commentary. You'll find that it's actually really, really hard. But there's a lot of different ways to use Screencastify, and I'm hoping to use them with you this year. So I hope the video helped. Thanks.